Hey guys, what's going on? It's nice to be back. I am RuelTV. I hope all of you are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated to all my upcoming video tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna teaching you how to make a photo editing Spider-Man suit effects in PicsArt. And now, let's get started. RuelTV contains song cover, dance cover, tutorials, vlogs, and top trendings.
From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Oh baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in the space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 You take away my breath now, boy. Don't you dare steal my heart now, boy. I know you're something that I'll enjoy. Move a little bit closer now, to some place where there ain't no crowds. I wanna get to know you right here and now. I got trapped in your touch the moment you took my hand. Led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moonlight gled. I pulled you in close, so whispered I'm not scared. I'm losing control, the lights in this space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Oh baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane. touch the moment you took my hand, led me all the way to the ocean sand. You told me don't worry as the moonlight glared. I pulled you in close, so whispered I'm not scared. I'm losing control, the lights in the space keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. 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 Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Now, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control, the lights in the space keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and
Finally, we are now done. Just simply save it and it will look like this.
barely I need you now.
Want more videos? Don't worry, I have a lot of tutorials that I will going to upload soon. Just subscribe to be updated. If you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give a like, and if you have some questions, suggestions or clarifications about the video, just leave it to the comment section below and I'll see you there. See you next time!